Hello everyone. In the energy technology subject, in the previous lecture, we discussing the number 5, unit number 3, solar energy. So last we discussed application of solar energy. So wide range of solar applications are available. As shown in picture, there is solar powered auto rickshaw. Then NASA is designed solar powered vehicles. Okay, so it is one type of helio. Then solar car, which is mainly worked on the solar systems. Then solar ships, and these are the commercial applications also, like a solar street, solar cooker, which is basically used in India as a rural area. Then magnifying glass, if magnifying glass we can use, so we can generate a fire. Okay, now let's recall or revise the advantages. So first is save you money. That means initial cost has been जो भी total capital cost है, which is we have to uh, pay for one times only. Then after there is a no low maintenance, or there is a number of less maintenance is available. So if we are using solar panels or solar systems, then the initial investment has been recovered in up to 2 to 3 years, and it is most of the advantages is it is basically free from the environment. And also government has declared the subsidy on the solar panels as well as the solar applications. Okay, in the use of solar application, government has to pay you the some cost or some subsidies. Then second is environmentally free. There is a no damage or no any other uh, gases or hazardous fuel are used on this system. So that's why it is eco-friendly system, and which does not generate any smog, any gases, any hazardous air. So basically it is one time of renewable energy sources. If you used one time, so you can use it is more and more. You have to no pay charges for the extra or revised charges. This is a sustainable energy sources. Solar energy sources is because of the reason is that there is an sustainable. That means there is an you can use much more times, even even some years of years. Then it is also clean system, not it is totally clean. It doesn't pollute the air, as well as the global warming effect. It should be a it does not create any global warming, neither creating acid rain or also neither creating the smog. Okay, so due to this, the greenhouse effect also decrease, because there is a no emission or no any CO2 or sulfur like a dangerous gases releases from the um, this this solar panels. Okay, solar energy does not contribute the cost of problems of the recovery and transportation of fuels and storage. मतलब कि सोलर एनर्जी ने તમારે ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન કરવાનો કોઈ ખર્ચ લાગતો નથી કે તેના માટે કોઈ રિકવર કરવા માટે તમારી કોઈ ચાર્જીસ પે કરવા પડતા નથી, બરાબર. સો મેઇન એડવાન્ટેજીસ ઇઝ ધેટ લો મેન્ટેનન્સ કોસ્ટ. જો સોલાર એનર્જી પ્લાન્ટ છે, there is an very sustainable as well as they have a very good in quality. So these systems are mainly low maintenance, or maybe it is a maintenance free systems, because they have no maintaining cost, because the panels are made up from the very qualifying material, so that's why they are we can use for a long term. They operate silently, have no moving parts, do not release offensive smells, as well as they do not require to add any fuel. Okay. So here is the main advantages. There is no other fuel is used to run this solar panel. This solar panels is mainly depends upon the sun's ray. Okay. And more solar panel is easily be added to the future when your families or your applications needs is increase. If in future your requirement or your electricity or maybe your panels requiring increase, so you can easily increase, or you can easily add more solar panels. That means your all this fulfillment you can increase, and you can also increase your systems. Okay. So that's why this is low maintenance or no maintenance solar systems. Now we know that all these systems are having some advantages and some of the disadvantages. Because of the advantages, we are seeing that there is a large range of advantages and applications of the solar panels, but some of the disadvantages may be affected for this. So first, see, solar energy, the main disadvantages is in nowadays the solar panels and solar systems are mainly they are costly. Okay, because of the high raw material cost, raw cost, as well as the semiconducting material which is used in the solar panel, which is very high costly. So the manufacturing cost of the solar panel are high in nowadays. So that's why this energy is that means capital cost or investment cost is very high compared to other fuel systems like petroleum, kerosene, diesels, and all the other energy, electricity. Okay, so they can easily available from the other sources at a cheaper rate, but they are very expensive at a long term. But this solar system is capitally it is very costly, but in the futurely it is very helpful, and it is very totally maintenance free. And also the cost of the solar energy is also high compared to non-renewable and utility supply to the electricity. That means કે જેટલી પણ અત્યારે આપણે કમર્શિયલ સ્કેલની અંદર યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, બરાબર, એનર્જી સોર્સિસ, નોન રિન્યુએબલ એનર્જી સોર્સિસ લાઈક પેટ્રોલિયમ, diesel, kerosene, natural gases. So all these are rightly available at a lower price compared to the solar panels, and very cheaper. Okay. And next is the area. Solar panel requires quite a large area for installation to achieve a good level of efficiency. मतलब अच्छी आपको that means you have to generated the required or a maximum energy. So you have to require a large space area at where you want to install. So that's why we have to require the large space area for a sufficient and efficient energy received. Okay, so it requires a very large area, not a very large but quite large area to achieve a good level of efficiency. Also, another main disadvantages is that the efficiency of the solar panel is mainly depend upon the sun ray or on the sun. So the solar panel's main disadvantages is that the efficiency of the system is depends upon the location of sun. जिस जगह से जो भी सूर्य की किरणें हैं वो ज़्यादा मात्रा में और खूब अच्छे से आएगी और अच्छे से सोलार पैनल्स के ऊपर आएगी तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन रेट जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. बिकॉज जितना एनर्जी जितना जितना रेडिएशन होगा सन रेज का ऑन द सोलार पैनल पे उतना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा मात्रा के अंदर प्रोड्यूस होगा. तो पहले तो ये जो सोलार पैनल सिस्टम है वो इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं लोकेशन, जहाँ पे क्लाउडी एटमॉस्फेयर है या फिर जहाँ पे कुछ ऊंची ऊंची इमारतें हैं और उसके बाजू में देयर इज़ एन लो हाई राइड्स है और उसके बाजू में लो राइजेस है. तो अगर वहाँ पे आप इंस्टॉल करोगे तो इन होल डे देयर इज़ एन सम टाइम्स ऑफ द सन रेज इज only get on the this solar panel and remaining will not be that means in short we have to install solar panel on a particular area where the solar radiation is must be high. The production of solar energy is influenced by presence of cloud or pollution in the air. The production of solar energy is basically influenced by the presence of cloud or maybe pollution in the air. If in sometimes in a monsoon season, so many clouds and all the hazy atmosphere or the pollutant air in the sky, so that's why the rays will not come on the earth's surface or maybe on the solar panel. So that's why the production of the solar system or the electricity generation might be very low or it may be neither it can be created. So similar to no solar energy will produce it during the night time, although the battery backup system. Okay, these solar systems are require additional things, that is we cannot operate this solar panel systems in a that means solar is not generated the electricity in the night time. Okay, so this is the one of the also disadvantages, and it requires a battery backup. Okay, battery backup system. So this battery is achieving a good electricity and then we are using a inverter and convert this energy into alternative current. So that's why we have to back up to store this energy. As far solar power cars go, their solar speed might not good. That means कि अभी जो एग्जिस्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिक कार है और इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक है और ऑल जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक सोलर एप्लीकेशंस है इन नाउ डेज, उसके अंदर जो सोलर एप्लीकेशन से चल रहे हैं व्हीकल, उसकी इफ़िशेंसी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, वर्किंग इफ़िशेंसी और मे बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पीड, जो उसकी स्पीड है वो might be very low. Okay, and uh, in today's generation, this is very costly for the installation or capital cost. So that's why it is everyone cannot uh, मतलब कोई हर कोई व्यक्ति इसको मतलब वो कर नहीं पा रहा है अभी, बिकॉज इसका प्राइस बहुत ही हाई है. Some other disadvantages is that solar energy is highly diffuse. That means the energy diffusion ratio is very high. We need a special collectors in order to be able to use solar energy is an effective form. मतलब जो भी collectors है in terms of the radiation absorber or the sun's rays, જે સૂર્યના કિરણો જે રેઝ આવે છે બરાબર સોલાર પેનલની ઉપર, તો એ જે પેનલની ઉપર આવે છે એ જે રેડિયેશન થાય છે તો એ કેવા હોવા જોઈએ જે સોલાર પેનલ, it is very good efficiently and which collect the maximum rays. Currently the efficiency of solar cell is very less. सोलर सेल की बात करें अगर तो उसकी एफिशिएंसी बहुत कम है. हम उसको बहुत बड़ी मात्रा के अंदर और बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी के अंदर अभी हम उसको बना नहीं पा रहे हैं. इन टुडे सोलर सेल cell can generate only about 45 milliwatt per square inch. पर स्क्वायर इंच के हिसाब से only 45 milliwatt energy is generated. Only 45 milliwatts. Solar energy is not available at night. Okay, we already discussed it. Solar energy is basically not available at the night time. Special storage facility like batteries are needed to store solar energy. As per we see in the discussion, the types of solar system. That means it is the solar energy is basically it is a DC voltage. So direct current we cannot use in such a many application, but in our daily uses we can use alternative current, AC current. So that's why it requires some batteries or battery backups as well as the inverter. So that's why this DC voltage is converted into the AC voltage alternative current, and we can use in home appliances in the home utilities. Life of battery is only 4 years. So in the nowadays there is a big disadvantages or a big problem of the solar systems is battery. The battery is mainly effective for 4 years. Then after battery should be died and we have to replace batteries. Also after some times the solar cells are also diffuse due to the working. So that's why at a long time we have to also replace the solar cell. And the incidence is very important. Angle of incidence is very important while generating electricity with solar cells. Okay, it is true, because the angle it should be kept as a which degree and at which angle the maximum energy is generated. તો આપણે એવા એંગલ પર સોલાર પેનલને ગોઠવવી જોઈએ કે જેનાથી મેક્સિમમ તેમાંથી એનર્જી આપણને મળી શકે. Angle of incidence should be 90 degree for a maximum efficiency, and this angle is difficult to maintain at all times. Maximum energy efficiency માટે સોલાર પેનલ્સ છે તો એની એંગલ 90 ડિગ્રી રાખવો જોઈએ, બટ આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ કે સન્સની પોઝિશન્સ મોર્નિંગથી ઇવનિંગ સુધીમાં હરેક ટાઈમે, હરેક મિનિટે, હરેક કલાકે ચેન્જ થાય છે. સો દેટ્સ વાય કે જે પણ પોઝિશન આપણે મેન્ટેન કરીએ છીએ એ એવી પોઝિશન મેન્ટેન કરીએ કે જેનાથી આપણને મેક્સિમમ એનર્જી રિકવર થાય, એનર્જી મળે, બરાબર. પણ મેક્સિમમ એનર્જી 90 ડિગ્રીઝ પર મળે છે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ પોસિબલ એવરી ટાઈમ ટુ kept the inside angle 90 degrees. Okay, so here your solar energy chapter is over right now. So let's overlook or once again just revise our this chapter so we can easily अंडरस्टैंड. सो इस चैप्टर के अंदर हमने देखा कि सोलर एनर्जी क्या है, द मेन सोर्सेस ऑफ द सोलर एनर्जी, व्हाट इज सोलर एनर्जी एंड why solar energy is important and why it is more important then what is the history and how it can generated. Then discover solar panels, how it work. Okay, then types of solar energy, which are the applications. Okay, and basically solar ponds. Then at the last we discuss the advantages, disadvantages and applications. Okay. So what is solar energy? Energy is main definition. We can see that energy is the directly we can achieve from the sun. Okay, energy is getting from the sun. Okay, and which is mainly two types: thermal energy and electric energy. So we see that thermal energy is everywhere. Everywhere is, and electric energy is we are producing from the solars. Then what is the main source of the solar energy? So sun is the main source of solar energy sources, and the diameter it should be 109 times greater than the earth diameter. Okay, so and why its requirement? Because the mainly non-renewable energy sources will be not available after 200 or 300 years. So that's why use of the solar energy sources is required. Then what is the importance, history, discover solar plants. जैसे कि ये एक फोटोवोल्टेइक इफेक्ट है, ठीक है, फोटोवोल्टेइक इफेक्ट જેના દ્વારા જે એનર્જી છે એ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટીની અંદર કન્વર્ટ થાય છે, બરાબર. જે સિલિકોન્સ નામની ધાતુ છે જે શું કરે છે, એનર્જીને હીટના સંદર્ભમાં એબ્ઝોર્બ કરે છે, એનર્જી જે હોય છે એને એબ્ઝોર્બ કરે છે, બરાબર, અને એ એનર્જીને શેમાં કન્વર્ટ કરે છે, ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટીમાં, બરાબર. So here is the location that can accept the electrons, and there is two layers, neutron, proton and electron. Then negative ion described as a free electrons. Then P is positive ions, which is a proton, and negative, this dotted line is indicating that which is tightly held electrons. Okay. બરાબર, ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ આ રીતે જનરેટ થશે. પછી લેયર્સમાં દર્શાવ્યા પ્રમાણે એન લેયર, પી અને એન લેયર્સ અને પી લેયર્સ, બરાબર. સો આ રીતે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી જનરેટ થાય છે. હવે જે આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ સોલાર પેનલ સિસ્ટમ્સ એ બેઝિકલી જે બી ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ આપે છે તો એ કયો કરંટ હોય છે? ડીસી હોય છે. ડીસી એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ કરંટ. સો આ ડાયરેક્ટ કરંટને આપણે અલ્ટરનેટિવ કરંટમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરવો પડે છે. સો દેટ્સ વાય વી હેવ ટુ રિક્વાયર ધ ઇન્વર્ટર. And from the inverter we get the alternative currents. Then we see classification of solar system. That means what is on grid system, which is off grid system, and what are the combined systems. Okay, so the main classification we can see in this figure. So क्या है दोनों के बीच में तफावत? Just look a overview. This solar panels is getting energy direct from the suns, and this will goes in the DC switch where, or a DC connection. Then it is goes in the inverter where the direct current is converted into the AC currents, and this current is basically we can use as for a home purpose, as well as the we can use the electricity to supply on the main supply of the electricity, main line. Okay, while in other cases like off grid systems, which is the solar energy in terms of DC current, which will be caused in the charge controller, and charge controller will be our battery. वहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है वो क्या होगा, चार्ज होगा. सो दिस DC current are goes in the inverter, and this inverter are converted DC voltage into AC voltage. And we know that there is a large applications, right? We are using the home appliances like computer, TV, fridge, radio, fan. So these are the AC current applications. Okay, and at least at the end of this there is an combined power system. So combined power system શું છે કે એક વખત તમે એનર્જી જનરેટ કરવાનું, દેટ મીન્સ કે સોલાર પેનલ એનર્જી જનરેટ કરવાનું ચાલુ રહી છે. ઇન સપોઝ યોર રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ ઇઝ per month require is 200 unit, and your solar panel plant is up to 3 kilowatt or more than 3 kilowatt. So your panel is generated more than 200 kilowatt 200 unit in the end of the month. Okay, so this remaining 100 unit you can directly supply to the electricity companies. Okay, so your additional electricity is may be credited on the this electricity companies. Okay, and remaining those electricity you can use in your home as your home utilities like AC, TV, fans, etc. So all these things is seen in this picture. Okay, so in the first, solar panel converts sunlight to the DC currents, and the second one is, which is the converter, or we can, it is the inverter which converts the electricity to DC to AC. And third one is take electricity at your end or at your home utilities, and other remaining at 4 extra electricity you can credit to the grid or to the electric जनरेटर जो भी कंपनी से तो उसको आप दे सकते हो. Then types of solar power plants which is available in the worldwide, as well as the next is solar pond, then how it works and what is working principle, applications, okay, advantages, what is disadvantages, okay, and what are the current applications we can use for the solar energies, okay. So these are the applications we discussed today.